There, Owen. Do it again because I wasn't taping.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm like totally
No, you're not. I can still see him. You done?
Yeah.
You gonna do it again?
Fun.
Good job.
Can I try?
Hey, you already do.
Let's see.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
It isn't his bed, but it's just mixed in with his bed, so they said they're gonna grab it after they eat.
I was just gonna say, don't worry about it.
You know, they said they're gonna grab it when they finish eating.
Yay.
I'm not practice for landing.
Oh, yeah?
I can't jump.
You can't jump? Is that what you just said?
Yeah, it hurts my back.
Of course. You can't do like somersaults or cartwheels or any of that sort of stuff.
Like this.
Psh, psh. There you
It
go.
hurts to like jump though.
Let's see if this gets funner. Oh, that one's messed up. That one's messed up.
Hmm?
The one that just did is messed up.
Okay, do it again. There we go. One more and then I'm going to shut it off.
Boom, 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 boom.
Your legs like jello yet? Bye.